Alright folks, we have a 2001 John Deere 5205 tractor for sale. Price on this little tractor is $15,500. This tractor comes with a John Deere 521 front loader with a 62-inch bucket. As you can see, the bucket operates properly through its full range and has the joystick control. Sync reverser transmission has a stick on the left of the operator with reverse, A and B ranges for the forward gears. Gear select on the right side of the operator has 4 gears that work in each range. This is a 4-wheel drive tractor with an ag type tires, 52 horsepower. Speed on this one is 540 RPMs. Three-point hitch operates as it should. Again, $15,500 price on this nice little tractor. We are Southern Equipment Sales. Come see us at 13601 Highway 45 North, Finger, Tennessee 38334. Call us at 731-577-0070. You can find us on Facebook at Southern Equipment Sales. Be sure to like our video, subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the notifications tab to be alerted of all our upcoming videos. Thank you from Southern Equipment Sales.